In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp button to your Shopify store in the easiest way possible, without the need for any coding skills. Whether you're looking to enhance customer engagement or simply make it easier for your customers to reach out, adding a WhatsApp button is a great step forward. So, let's dive right in. First, we'll explore using Shopify apps, which provide a no-fuss, code-free way to integrate WhatsApp into your store. There are several apps available that add WhatsApp chat or link buttons effortlessly. One popular choice is the Get Button app, which not only allows you to add a WhatsApp button, but also integrates other platforms like Facebook. It offers a floating button that remains visible as customers scroll through your store, and you can even customize its appearance and greeting message to align with your brand's style. Another option you might consider is the Mega WhatsApp button. Like Get Button, it provides a floating chat button that remains accessible throughout the shopping journey. It's also customizable, allowing you to adjust its look to fit seamlessly with your store's theme. The flexibility and customization options make this a favorite for many Shopify users. For those who prefer a lightweight solution, the Meetanchi WhatsApp chat app is an excellent choice. This app is designed for optimal performance on both desktop and mobile devices, ensuring that all your customers have a consistent experience regardless of how they access your store. Its simple configuration process means you can set it up in just a few clicks, without bogging down your site with unnecessary features. The beauty of using these apps is in their simplicity. They save you from the hassle of delving into the code, which can be daunting if you're not familiar with web development. Instead, you can focus on designing the customer journey and personalizing interactions using the intuitive dashboards these apps provide. You'll find instructions and tutorials within each app to guide you through setup, making it an enjoyable process rather than a chore. To install one of these apps, simply navigate to the Shopify App Store from your Shopify dashboard. Search for your desired app using its name, like Get Button, Mega WhatsApp button, or Meetanchi WhatsApp chat. Once you've found the right app, click the Install button to integrate it into your store. Follow the app's setup instructions to customize the button's appearance, and you'll have a fully functional WhatsApp button on your store in no time. That's it. You've successfully added a WhatsApp button to your Shopify store, making it easier for customers to get in touch with you instantly. With this small addition, you're well on your way to enhancing customer service and boosting engagement through this popular messaging platform. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in achieving better communication with your valued customers.